In this video, I'm going to walk you through a real x402 service deployed on mainnet, providing on-chain price data like latest USD price, OHLC, moving averages, and volume, all behind a pay-per-use API. Most price APIs today rely on monthly subscriptions, API keys, centralized billing systems. That model doesn't work well when you only need a few price requests. You're running automated agents. You want usage-based pricing. X402 enables pay-per-request APIs using the HTTP 402 payment required standard. Instead of authenticating users with API keys, the API responds with a payment challenge. The client pays using crypto. The request is retried and the data is returned. This allows you to build APIs where payments are the access control. This project is an x402 powered on-chain price data service that exposes multiple endpoints by Bitquery. So each endpoint is monetized using x402 exact payment schemes, with USDC payments supported on Base Mainnet EVM, Solana Mainnet SVM. The service is built as a server-only backend using Node.js and Express. This is designed as a reusable x402 service, a backend that real applications, scripts, or AI agents can integrate with. The server registers an EVM payment scheme for Base, a Solana payment scheme for Solana, and each route declares exactly how much it costs, which network it supports, where the payment is settled, that is, the payment address. Let's talk about the data. The service exposes multiple Bitquery APIs commonly used in trading and analytics. Price API for real-time token pricing in USD. OHLC API for candlestick data. Moving average API for trend analysis. Volume API for liquidity and activity insights. These are core building blocks for trading bots, analytics dashboards, AI-driven market analysis, and with x402, every request is paid individually. When a client hits one of these endpoints without payment, the server returns 402 payment required, along with a payment challenge. After the payment is completed, the same request is retried. The server verifies the payment. The data is returned. This works seamlessly for programmatic clients, backend services, AI agents making autonomous decisions. This service is already working on Base and Solana mainnet and uses the Pay AI facilitator for payment verification, making it suitable for real-world usage. Next steps include making the service discoverable via the x402 bazaar, adding smart pricing, where cost adjusts based on load or query complexity, configuring the payments for other chains such as Polygon or Ethereum. The goal is to make this a reference architecture for x402 data services. The full codebase is open source, and I've linked the repository below. If you're interested in x402 services, pay-per-use APIs, price APIs, OHLC data, moving averages, or volume analytics. This project is a solid starting point. Like, subscribe, and let me know what kind of x402 service you'd like to see next.